What is that? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. It has actually been quite beautiful for the last 2 weeks. We're looking at temperatures in the 30s, which to me is a little too hot. What we've got here is a courtesy car. That's right, a nice little Volkswagen Jetta Wolfsburg, and it is a courtesy car from AutoWorks, which is the company doing my PPE. I did make the decision to get it done, so let's drive over there and take a look at what has happened. Well, there she is. I have just picked her up from Ken at AutoWorks in Maple Ridge, British Columbia. And what he did was the whole front bumper, the hood. He said he had some extras, so he did the headlights and the fog lights. And it is the Expel, so it's the good stuff. He also did the back of the mirrors. And he said he had some more extras, so he actually did the sill plates of the car on all four. No, it would have been the two then. The front two. Yeah, because I don't think there's anything here. So yeah, it must have been the front two. He also did he call it the luggage rack? You can see it here. It goes all the way across the back of the car, so if people are rough with the baggage, putting them in the trunk. Also what he did last night is that there it is, he did charge the car. I noticed when I was home, after he had gone for the day, I noticed that he had plugged it in overnight. So I quickly moved the dial up to 90%. So, you know what they say, ABC, always be charging, and be charging especially if it's someone else's dollars. So here, the back of the, yeah, he did this right here. I thought it said Model Y. I don't know why I thought that, but yeah, he put coating on that, which is awesome. So there you go. His name is Ken. He's at AutoWorks in Maple Ridge, British Columbia. He does have a courtesy car that you can use for doing the hood front end of this. He wanted it for the whole day, and he actually kept it overnight because he said he wanted just to make sure that the edges were sealed. So he kept it overnight, and then first thing this morning I went over and picked it up. So I'm not going to tell you what I paid for this, and the reason why is that I'm a return customer and he might have given me a little bit of a deal. It definitely was a cash deal, and it was, other quotes were $1,600 plus tax, and I'll just tell you I didn't pay that. So if you're interested, give him a call and see what he can do for you, and give him a quote and go from there. Anyway, you guys take care. Be safe. Cheers. Bye.